It was a wonderful fall day, and the Squirrel brothers were outside enjoying the leaves. Up was jumping up. Yippee! I love to jump, boing, 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 boing. And Uni was riding on his unicycle, of course. Woo! And well, he was doing his crunches. He was practicing for the Squirrel Olympics. Uni wasn't interested, and neither was Up. And a stranger walked by. Oh, there's just remember, you don't have to do anything for the Olympics but your crunches, your sit-ups. That's all you have to do. Carry on. Oh, good, 'cause I'm good at sit-ups. Yeah, keep practicing. We're going to be there to cheer you on. Yippee! Squirrel Olympics. Our brother's going to win. Go, woo! Go,
All right, boys. Any squirrels that are watching, you need to stand back because we're about ready to start. And now we're going to start the Squirrel Olympics. The first competition will be pushing a heavy bush. And here we go.
I didn't know they had to do that. Me neither. And the stranger who told him they didn't have to was first. Aha! This is easy. And then the next one went. No problem. And then the next one went. Woo, yeah. And then went. Oh boy, I didn't know he had to push a big bush. I'm so tired. I can't do anymore. The next competition was pulling a heavy bucket of stones. I can do this. Easy. And the next contestant went without a problem. Yeah, it's pretty easy. And then the next contestant went. They were doing so well. I practiced this. I can do it. And then poor he struggled because he never practiced. This is so heavy. That's as far as I can go. I can't do any more.
And our last competition is the sit-up competition. All right, boys, you can start.
And so the first contestant went. And the second one. These sit-ups are so hard. And the third one. And the fourth one. And finally it was U's turn. He was so good at them because that's all he did. Well, he kept doing those sit-ups. 498, 499, 500, 501, 502, 503, 504. I'm done. Well, the scores had been tallied up.
Well, I have my scores. By the time everything was measured and counted for points and the total number of sit-ups, our winner seems to be for so many sit-ups. He outdid all the contestants. Yippee! I knew it! I knew he could do it! Yippee!
And so the Squirrel brothers celebrated with the barrel full of nuts and berries. Boing, 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 boing. Woo! I knew you would win! I knew you would win! I knew it! You're awesome! I knew you'd win too! You don't have to do sit-ups all the time. I love doing sit-ups. It wasn't long before the stranger came by. Oh, hey guys, I need to apologize. I'm so sorry for lying to you. I mean, obviously there was pushing and pulling involved in this contest, and I'm so sorry. Oh, it's all good, man. Thanks for apologizing. I really appreciate that. Why don't you help yourself to some berries and some nuts? We share with everyone. All of our neighbors get to partake in this. Oh man, you are so kind. Thanks, guys. You're awesome. Maybe I'll just grab a little berry. All right. See you later. And the Squirrel Brothers had a wonderful afternoon.
Oh, hello there. It's me, Ellie, and today we're talking about the Squirrel Brothers. Our first one is for Up, and he's called Up because, of course, he likes to jump up. And so we have a little arrow as a little reminder for Up. For Up. And then we have U for Uni, because Uni likes to ride on his unicycle. And sometimes we just do a solid blue letter to make it easier. Because this all gets a little complicated. But anyway, there's U for Uni. And then our third brother, and also our third sound of the U family, is because he grunts a lot. He goes, because he does sit-ups. He loves to do sit-ups all the time. And he's got orange tennis shoes. And so here's our coding for him. There's a little orange tennis shoe. So you know it's for and he just won a contest with the Squirrel Olympics because of all of his wonderful sit-ups. Okay, so I will talk to you later. Voila.
Oh, hi guys, it's me, Jerome. Alright, so we're talking about the third U sound. Just think of it as the third brother. So you know this guy, he's because he's always grunting, because he does lots of sit-ups. In fact, this looks like him. He's shaped like that. And you can even see his little orange tennis shoe. So this is coded, so you remember to say when you see it, okay? Because he has other brothers. Anyway, in our story, had to do some hard things in the Squirrel Olympics, and he didn't train for two of the events. All right, one of them involved pushing a bucket, or in this case a box, full of heavy stones. I can't do it. And he couldn't quite do it because he never trained for it. So we're going to spell push. All right, here we go. We need all of our letters out there. Here we go. And then you should remember this from former episodes. Shh. Remember? Shh. Okay, so here we go. Shh. Push. And that's what he had to do.
Oh, hello there. It's me, Ellie. Okay, so we're talking about today, the third U. And he's even shaped like his letter with his tennis shoe. So you know it's the third sound. Okay, so in the Squirrel Olympics, had to push and pull heavy things. And we may have got these mixed up from the story, but anyway, it doesn't matter. He had to push things and pull things, and he wasn't prepared for that. Okay, so we're going to pretend he was pulling a heavy branch. All right, so in our story, he had to pull a heavy branch, and he couldn't do it. Oh, no, I can't do it. Because he didn't train for it. But he did do sit-ups, and he did very well with that. So we're going to spell pull. So we need our letters. Okay, so here we go. All right, we have P. We can borrow this. Ull. Pull. He had to pull. And then if we add we've done that before, like the king who liked to sing. Ing. Okay, we can say he was pulling. Zoom in a little, tap, and you can see it better. Pulling. He was pulling. You bet. And it was hard. Hey guys, all right, it's time for letter art. Okay, we're going over the third U, and we're going to draw this action. And so in this picture, the hand has pushed a big bell. All right, so that's what we're going to do. We're going to draw a hand that's pushing a bell. All right, here we go. All right, first we're going to draw a thumb going down. A loop. Maybe go over that. All right, there's our loop. And then we're going to draw the 3 fingers because it's a cartoon. We don't need as many fingers as you really have. And they're going up, looping up, going down once, twice, and 3 times. And stop and go right. And then do the bottom line. A little curve and then over. All right, there's our funny hand. And then we're going to start at the top of the finger and curve down until we hit at the thumb. Okay, here we go. Woo! Okay, and then we're doing the other side of the big buzzer. So go over, follow the curve, and then tuck it in. And then we're doing some hatching lines. We've done this before. And then, we forgot the sleeve. All right, so, it looks kind of like, you know what? That's okay. This will be a good way to show you how to cover up if you accidentally make a mistake with using a Sharpie. Okay, so we're going to loop. Start here, loop until you get to there. And then we're going to do some hatching lines. Yeah, all right, and then we're going to draw the sleeve. Okay, and then we'll turn this into stripes. There you go. Okay, we're going to draw some action marks over here. There you go. Okay, very good. All right, so we're going to write pushed. So give me a and then I need this All right, let's put a little tennis shoe on there. And then I need the shh. And then I need a gray, because we're putting a silent letter in here. And a duh. Okay, now I need an orange crayon, but you can just pretend that's orange, okay? Duh. Pushed. Pushed. Cool. Good job, guys. And don't forget our list.